What's up, guys? Got a haircut. Okay, so I'm gonna start pulling the auto, it's not a flywheel, flex plate. I'm gonna pull the flex plate off and try and get the manual transmission prepped. I just picked up both of the axle seals that I need, and then I also got a rear main seal kit for the motor. Since we're in there, might as well do it. So we'll start plugging away on that. Alright, guys. So this kind of worries me. A lot of the bolts had some wear on the outside, like where the flex plate would be riding. So I hope the crank's not. I'm gonna look in there carefully because I hope the crank is not stripped out. I do have a tap and die set and we can fix it, but I mean, it's gonna suck. For the most part, they all look like this. Pretty good. I'm not gonna reuse these ones. I have some better ones. But yeah, so I just got the flex plate off with the little retaining like washer thing. Not really sure what it's called, sorry. There we go. So I'll take a closer look inside the holes and make sure I don't have to tap anything. But we got to replace this seal. I want to do it kind of quickly because we kind of have a ghetto setup right here. I don't want to be in here too long. But yeah, that looks like it was leaking pretty good. So we'll pop that out, get a new one in there, make sure it's all cleaned up. There's that nasty guy. Oh yeah. Seal looks pretty good along the whole thing. It stopped leaking out of the bottom. That's great. We don't want that. So I'm gonna prep the transmission. Gonna do the seals on there the same exact way. Dang it. That is not the right seal. Okay, time to go back. Okay, that was a pretty sweet little Honda on the way back. I got one. Whoops. I got one. It does fit. So, got the correct one for the driver's side, which has the output shaft. That one was good. The other side they don't have, and it'll be here in the morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy back in the same way that you already saw me install the wrong one. And then I'll have to pick this back up tomorrow when I get the other seal. Alright, so I finally got the right seal. I brought the old one with me. You guys should do that. It's a good little trick. So after a couple days, we got the right seal, and then check it out, boys. The TL. So I talked to the owner. He actually works in O'Reilly's, and he was helping me out too, but makes me miss my old one. If I find some old photos, I'll try and throw one up. Now I'm gonna grab the flywheel and get that prepped and put onto the crankshaft. Yeah, stuff, car stuff. That should do it. Okay, moment of truth. I found all of my old Honda clutch alignment tools. So, definitely not that one. It's definitely not that one. We got one more shot. Oh, butter. Okay, let's check the flywheel side. Dang it. Okay. So this might work if I shave this down. I don't really want to, but I don't have many other options. I made my own. As you can see, I've been whittling away. I know some of you guys are cringing like, oh my god, what are you doing? I'm doing what I'm doing, dude. So, anyways, if you put that in there, it's pretty dang straight. It's in there. I think this will do the job for what I need to do. So, should be good. Ooh, I do, since transmission's out, I'm gonna replace the reverse switch, and then it should be able to go back in. Let's see, let's put this guy on there. The one that's on there, the wires inside of here snapped off, and I don't really want to re-solder it. Alright. I'm gonna save this washer in case I need it. And then I saved the other half of these pigtails here. Oops. Come on. That way, when we go to do our reverse switch wiring, we can use these pigtails and tap into one of the automatic transmission sensors, and we don't have to run a new wire all the way back into the cabin. We'll just unplug the automatic transmission terminals from the ECU, and then we'll run the reverse switch through those wires. Okay. I will. Don't do this at home.
Yeah. Don't watch, kids.
For educational purposes.
Educational purposes.
Yeah.
Don't always bench press a transmission into your car.
No, it's not the smartest thing to do, but it worked. So, he's dirtier than I am, for sure.
Matching my shirt.
Okay. But, it's in there. So it does fit. It does fit.
Perfectly, actually.
Yeah. So now we're gonna take a freaking break. But yeah.
Good
Woo!
shit, dude.
Good shit, dude. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. We got the transmission in there. My buddy Will came over and helped me out with that. Thank you again, Will. Right now is the end of the video, and I wanted to share with you just briefly about what it is to be a Christian. And bottom line, being a Christian to me is it's a way of life rather than a religion. I'm a follower of Christ, so I admit that I'm a sinner. I fail all the time. Have anger problems, issues, lust, all that stuff, whatever. Like, I'm a dude. I suffer from a lot of dude syndrome, right? A lot of us do. So anyways, being a Christian to me is just making sure that I'm talking to God all the time, putting Him first, obviously believing that He died on the cross for my sins, but it doesn't, I don't have to change 100%. Like I'm obviously I'm changing, and God is pruning the dead leaves off of my, you know, my bush off of my tree, and He's pruning me into this different person, and I'm becoming a better person from this. But I don't have to change overnight. It's not like I need to live by this religious background or this religious way of life. It's I'm a follower of Christ, man. I'm trying to be like Him, knowing that I can never be Him. I'm just trying my best as a human, as an individual, to better myself and connect with Him every day and ask for His help so that I can be a better person in general and serve others and help people do the same thing. I want you guys to figure this out, because like the first 25 years of my life, I didn't care, and I was raised all around this stuff, and I just didn't care. But this last almost 2 years now, so I'm almost 27, this last 2 years that I've been like focusing more on it, man, I would never have thought where I'm at right now today spiritually that I would ever get here. And I don't even know where I'm going next. So I just trust in God. I follow Him daily. And that's my gist of being a Christian. I'm sure I will retouch this later when I have a stronger relationship with Christ. But if this could help any of you in any way, I hope it kind of dumbs it down. Like, dude, you smoke weed, skateboard, and you cuss a lot and listen to rap music, but you believe Jesus died for your sins, you're a Christian, bro. You just need to keep working on it. Like, I ain't gonna hate you for smoking pot or doing drugs or whatever. Like, I'm 7 years sober off of methamphetamines. Like, without the grace of God, that never would have happened. So I'll get into that story later on, because I have a pretty wicked testimony, and I'm pretty sure you guys would be interested in hearing some of the crap that I've been through. But anyways, that's what it's like to be a Christian. I hope that made sense. I'm going to leave it in here because whatever, God will do something with it. So God bless you guys, and have a great rest of your day. Help me out. Check this out. Do you even RC drift, bro? And then we got Hobby Talk RC on the sleeves. On the hood, you got the logo with the @ on the Instagram. If you need one, go to my website, or you can message me or whatever. Check it out. Helps me out a ton. Helps me put these videos out. So yeah, support your boy. Peace.